train!
Oh my! Where have you come from, friend?
He's come all the way from the Himalayas. This is a yak.
Ms. Y! I did not know you were back from your adventures.
I got back just yesterday. When is your next adventure, Bob?
Right now. I'm heading to my class to teach the kids. Would you and your yak like to join me?
That would be delightful. Lead the way.
Hey kids, you are in for a big surprise today. Give a big, loud welcome to Ms. Y.
Hello, Miss Y. Yellow. Oh, sorry. I mean, hello, kids.
Ms. Y is going to show us some interesting things that begin with the letter Y. Are you ready, Ms. Y?
Yes, I can't wait to show these young kids some of my favorite things.
So let's begin.
Yellow, like my little canary here.
Why, thank you.
Yolk, and I am going to magically make it appear. Yada yada boom. Wow! And now here is my friend, the yak. He's a gentle giant. Wow!
Where are you going to keep him, Ms. Y?
In my yard. I'm sure you kids are going to love this one. This is my yo-yo.
Wow! Can I try it?
Yay! One more thing from my adventures. Yacht.
Yippee! I sure would like to join you on your adventures next time, Ms. Y. That was so much fun. Could you go through it once again, please?
Yellow. Yolk. Yak. Yo-yo. Yacht.
Now we can show the kids how to write the letter Y. What do you think, Ms. Y?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mary, are you ready?
Yes, Bob. Let's begin.
Start at the top and draw a short slanting line going down to the right. That's right. Now go back to the top and taking your pencil or crayon a little away from the first line, draw a slanting line going down to the left till the two lines almost meet. Perfect! Now connect the two lines and draw a standing line going down to the bottom. You got it!
You think I can try it on my own, Bob?
Yes, I think you should.
Start at the top and draw a short slanting line going down to the right. Now, go back to the top and taking your pencil or crayon a little way from the first line, draw a slanting line going down to the left till the two lines almost meet, like this. Now, connect the two lines and draw a standing line going down to the bottom. And that's the letter Y.
You got that right. I can't thank you enough for today, Bob.
We loved having you here with us, Ms. Y. And we want to dedicate a very special song to you.
Oh, yes. I can't wait to hear it.
Say hello, say hello, say hello to sweet Miss Y. She's smart and funny, always sunny. Her favorite color is bright yellow. Say hello, say hello, say hello to sweet Miss Y. She rides a yak, sitting on its back. Her favorite toy is a yo-yo-yo. Say hello, say hello, say hello to sweet Miss Y. She sails on her yacht, even if it's hot. Life to her is an adventure.
That was the best song I have heard, Bob. Thank you so much.
We're glad you liked it.
I must take your leave now. I have a yacht to catch for my next adventure.
All the best, Miss Y. Tell us all about it when you return. Bye-bye, kids. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. Take care.